Hello and welcome back to this video. So in this video I'll walk you through how you can create a new chart. So let's get started. Every great project begins with a single idea. In the Amatip AI interface, that starts with the new chart button. Whether you are a student starting a research, or you are an entrepreneur trying to launch a product, or you are a content creator, this is your space to create. So once you click on the new chart, you see this, as you can see. So at the bottom you find the prompt box, which is here. This is where you speak to the Amatip AI, your AI co-pilot. You don't need to be a tech expert, just describe what you need in a plain language. So let's get started. So we want to start our conversation with the AI. Let's firstly say hello. Hello. As you can see, it's thinking, so the response is coming out. It says, hello, I'm here to help you with a wide range of tasks. Whether you need assistance with analyzing files, understanding images, answering questions, solving problems, or formatting content. As you can see. So here, you can actually select the generated response. You can copy, you can read, and also you can regenerate your response if you are not okay with the response that it generated. So let's assume you are a content creator and you want to communicate with the AI. So for example, for the content, we can say the AI should write a 200-word introduction for my new fashion blog. Okay, for my new fashion blog. So here, if you want to expand the editor, and here if you want to attach any file, here if you want to send a voice note, and this is the send button after you've typed in your message. So let's go. It's thinking. So here is already replying. It says, let's give an answer of, welcome to the modern trend where style meets substance in the curated world of contemporary fashion. This is more than just a blog. It is a destination for the discerning individual who believes that what you wear is a powerful form of self-expression and storytelling. So here we have a response already. If we want it to regenerate, let me click on the regenerate. It will regenerate the new response. So as you can see, it says, welcome to Thread and Vision, where style meets storytelling and every outfit has a voice. So like that. So it says, here we explore the intersection of personal style, sustainable choices, and timeless aesthetics. So it says, thank you for joining this journey. Let's create, inspire, and evolve together. So if you are a business owner, you can actually send your prompts. You can ask the AI to generate whatsoever you want for you. Like, it can help you to solve problems, it can help you to create content, it can help you on how you can analyze your data and some other things. So because of the lightning fast responses, you see that your ideas come to life in milliseconds. If the answer isn't exactly what you wanted, you can use the regenerate button like I explained earlier. And if you want to copy, you can click on the copy. It will copy, as you can see, copied to clipboard. And here, if you want to select multiple messages, so as you can see, selected it, and you can click on copy if you want to copy them. So it has copied it. So that's that. So here, if you want to upload a document from your system, let's say for example we want to upload a document. Okay, I'm coming. Let me click on this and open. So we can upload a document. As you can see, the document has been uploaded. So you now put your prompt, explain. You put your prompt. Afterwards, you click on the send message. So explain this, the charts in the uploaded image. So send. As you can see, it says I can see this is a bar chart showing conversion by channel. So with a data for YouTube, so it's explained 2 bars, one for YouTube, blue color for scheme, vertical axis, horizontal axis. So the observations, it gave observations and also interpretation of the chart. So that's that. And if I want it to regenerate, I'll click on the regenerate button and that's it. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. In the next video, we'll look at how you can make use of the image text extractor. Thank you and bye.